Hi, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me again. If you're just joining us, make sure to like and subscribe if you like what you see here. And definitely join us again. We will be getting back after quite a few different things. We're gonna get back after part 2 of trying to fix these dang coil pack bridges for the 240. So stay tuned after this. We're gonna get those installed and yeah, take this thing for a test spin. So yeah, bear with me. We are pretty much there. If you tune in for the part 1 of this, the dang coil pack bridge keeps breaking on me. So here we are a couple of days later, getting back after it, just trying to get this dang thing going again so we can get this thing up and running. So coil pack bridge yet again repaired. Oh, I swear. All right, one down. Sweet. Okay, so that should be these guys. Okay. Alrighty, repaired. Cool, that should work. Alrighty, cool. I'll bring you back for the conclusion. We'll go install this. Alright people, we're back. Thanks for joining me back to the channel. Okay, so